In this episode of the 5 Best Pro, we'll cover the top 5 best portable kitchen that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Coleman Pack-Away Portable Kitchen. Take the hassle out of outdoor cookouts with the Coleman Pack-Away Portable Kitchen. Equipped with a 31.5 by 21.3 inch food prep area, this portable camp kitchen offers ample space for slicing meats and chopping vegetables. The side stand accommodates most Coleman stoves and coolers, while hanging hooks and a mesh storage shelf offer additional storage space for plates, utensils, and ingredients. To facilitate late-night cooking, a lantern hook provides a convenient place to hang a light. Setting up this portable kitchen is easy. Simply expand the aluminum frame, snap on the surfaces, and make sure the kitchen's footing is steady. When it's time to pack up, the kitchen folds up and easily fits into a single, self-contained case for easy carrying and storage. With its medium-density fiberboard top and aluminum frame, this folding camp kitchen is built to withstand years of rugged use. At number 4. GCI Outdoor Master Cook Portable Folding Camp Kitchen. The Master Cook Station is the perfect addition to your tailgate or camping adventure. It is designed with patent-pending slim fold technology and sets up and breaks down easily with a hassle-free one-piece design. It features an extended aluminum countertop, a lower rack for storage, 3 side tables, a telescoping lantern pole, and a soft shell sink with a drain that collapses when the unit is folded up. Folds flat and includes a carry handle for transporting it to and from the fun. Built on the foundation that innovation should be found in every product that we develop, GCI Outdoor has found a clear niche in the outdoor industry. Since 1996, we have taken our passion for the outdoors and innovation and created gear that is built for adventures big and small. At number 3. GCI Outdoor 15026 Slim Fold. The Slim Fold Cookstation, designed with Slim Fold technology, is easy to set up and break down in a flash with its one-piece design. It has an aluminum countertop, a lower rack for storage and 4 plastic fold-out side tables. The side tables have many features including beverage holders, stem glass holders and hooks that can be used as a garbage bag holder or to hang cooking utensils. Built on the foundation that innovation should be found in every product that we develop, GCI Outdoor has found a clear niche in the outdoor industry. What began as finding a solution for a product that didn't exist has grown into a company with a 20-year history of providing consumers with products and features that enhance their outdoor experience. With portability and durability built into each chair, stool, and table, it takes less time to pack, carry, set up, and fix gear. That's more time spent on what truly matters. GCI Outdoor prides itself on solving ease-of-use issues through innovation, ensuring relaxation. At number 2. Gatling, CO. 21-piece Camping Cookware Set. This 21-piece set includes 4 metal telescoping marshmallow, hot dog roasting sticks, 1 carabiner, 1 headlamp, 4 utensils, sporks, 1 scissor with bottle opener, 1 utility knife, 1 cutting board, 1 bottle opener, 1 rice paddle, 1 tongs, 1 metal ladle, 1 metal spatula, 1 rubber spatula, 1 flint, 1 stainless steel can opener. Weighing less than 3 pounds and easily fitting into backpacks, drawstring bags, or suitcases, this portable cookware set is perfect whether you're going to the beach, mountains, tailgating, hiking, picnicking, or backyard barbecuing. This portable 21-piece camping kitchen set will efficiently carry all your cooking utensils no matter what the activity. This kit allows you to bring your favorite cooking utensils everywhere without the hassle of packing up your entire kitchen. Finally, at number 1. Coldcreek Outfitters Outdoor Washing Table. This portable table is made from heavy-duty materials, which makes it perfect for a camping kitchen, outdoor cleaning station, or backyard sink. This folding sink table offers a mobile cooking, cleaning, and food prep solution. Made from heavy-duty polyurethane and a durable steel frame, this collapsible camper table is perfect for outdoor use, whether it's in the garden or backcountry. Built to be rugged and sturdy, it can be used to clean fish, cook dinner, or play games. With a dual sink design, this lightweight fishing table provides plenty of space to clean gear, fillet fish, and wash hands. These camp tables feature two sinks measuring 1.5 and 4.5 deep. It can be assembled quickly and easily without tools. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.